Wow. Hey, come here, come here.
Puno?
Wait, picture rin.
Maganda naman kaya. Puno. Kahit puno lang. Kahit puno lang.
Oo. Malaking puno.
Sa magkasolo lang.
Big tree.
Oh, nice. Look.
Nice.
Alexa.
Triceratops, three-horned face. Wow! Wow! This dinosaur came from Uganda.
Voltage.
Velociraptor. Okay, yan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sige.
Anat. Three egg.
The 3 eggs.
Three egg.
Cedric! Okay na.
Waiting for the dinosaur show.
Tayo ka.
Tabi mo ka. Tabi mo na lang ba? Ayun.
Lala.
Oh, ganito mo.
Tayo ka.
Where's the dinosaur? It's at your back. At your back.
At your back.
Is it a T-Rex or Stegosaurus or whatever?
It's going to be blue.
Mama.
Daddy, get Sean.
It's at your back.
Si siya, Cedric, ang cute.
Dino. Wait.
Hello, Dino.
Uy na. Gabi na.
Meow.
Bigyan mo kami, nag-iyan tayo.
Meow. Ha? Oo, sinabi ko na, oh.
Hindi maganda ganyan.
So, waiting for the...
Hindi maganda ganyan.
Enjoy and watch the spectacular creatures
Nakita naman ng
come
tao.
to life. Using the latest animatronics technology, similar to the techniques used to
Wow! Hello!
make our giant dinosaurs run and move. So please welcome the dancing master.
Natakot sila.
Takot sila.
Bubbly, bubbly. Bubbly, bubbly. You see that girl with the tic tac, she say give me the, head to the floor, girl, give me the, bend over, girl, and give me the, sit down, so it goes like this activity, bend over, girl, and give me the, top one, girl, and give me the, what you find, girl, give me the, now is the time, girl, give me the, what you good, girl, never be with it, put it down, girl, never be with it, take up your money, girl, in the element, money, money, we take our permanent element, oh, your money, come away.
Ah! bye. Dino Fossil Museum.
We will get it first.
Toy
Found
Jurassic.
Okay.
You like it?
It's like this.
Huh?
Papa, look, Toy found Jurassic.
Oh yeah, nice.
Nice,
I can use this for the beach.
Tarantula. Big spider.
Look, the
Labidura.
what?
Labidura japonica. Dihaan. Wow. What's this, huh?
Can you get for me?
Walking stick. It's a walking stick, see?
This one, the walking stick. This one, it's moving.
Oh, let's go, let's go.
It's moving. Yeah. It's
Oh, look at
moving.
that thing.
Huh? Ah, yeah. The big ant.
Look at the walking stick.
Cockroach, cockroach. 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 Beetle.
What? Oh, beetle.
Beetle, beetle. Fly. Fly, fly.
A fly? It's a ladybug. Papa,
Ladybug.
I know this one.
Yeah, ladybug.
Wait, can you read this one down?
Ladybug.
No, this one down here.
Yeah, so many words.
I want to see that one.
Yeah.
That's butterfly. What's this? A bee.
Bee, bee. Bumblebee, bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Yes,
Bumblebee, the transformer.
that's right.
Look, look, look. Fly.
Dragonfly. Yeah,
What?
dragonfly. See?
Papa, come on.
Okay. Ah, snail.
Yeah, snail. I know that.
Snail. Mosquito. Mosquito.
Papa, shrimp.
Yes, yes, yes.
Shrimp.
Mushroom. Aha. Locust. Let's go, let's go.
Locust.
Oh, ant.
May oras. May
There's
oras.
ant.
Ay, ganun ba?
O, papalitan ng tao.
Ah, ay, hindi pwede sa
Hindi pwede.
Ba't dito?
Let's go there, Papa.
No more, no more.
Ba't dito?
Carne blue.
Papa, let's go inside
No,
there.
not allowed.
Why?
It's closed.
Yeah, it's
Look at
closed.
that one. And look at that. Ant and like that.
Ah, the beetle. That is
For the arrival of occupied grasshoppers. Of the ones that are working, one of them that stand out is an industrious one-lane fleet. As the time for the grasshopper to arrive approach, the colony heads down into the anvil. Intend to wait for the grasshoppers to offer and leave. Unfortunately, Fleet is the last one to put his items on the offering stone and ends up causing the platform to corrupt with his piece of machinery.
We are at Clarkland, Angeles City.
Thank you.
Ano no?
Yung kay Cedric kasi nilagyan.
Ah, okay.
Nilagyan si Cedric eh, hindi naman siya.
We are at the entrance of Dinosaur Island. Ha?
Kailangan yung YouTube mo, kailangan pa bayaran.
Entrance.
Ang daming gusto ni ni Martin. Let's go.
Marky! This egg! And then sa pupo.
Ay, you see the head of the movie, no? See the head. Nathaniel!
Only one picture.
Nathaniel, pakakakainin ka na.
Yung pushcart. Ayun. Willie! Yung
Pushcart!
What?
Pushcart.
The bag!
Picture here, come on.
Naku, iniwan na yung bag nila doon. Sinasabi ko na nga ba eh. Di ba sabi?
Oo nga.
Trabaho niya yun.
Tara, let's go.
Ayun, nakita niya. Nandun yung mga bag nila. Kanina tinulak ko na nga eh. Naiwan yung postcard. Ano ito bang ginawa nila? Ano? Parang jungle. Sandra, what's the name of that? Sandra, what's the name of this?
It's Brazil.
Dinosaur Island, Clark. Oh.
picture. Oh, me.
Mga ano, scarf.
May 10,000 volt na nakalagay.
Kunwari.
May bolt ka na yung alat.
Cedric. Hi.
Ma!
Hindi naman totoo yung
Uy, sabi ng apo mo.
Papa, read. Papa,
Yeah.
read.
Stegosaurus.
Read the whole word here.
Stegosaurus.
Let's go. Read the whole word here.
Whether likely its own kind of predators.
Do like that. Just one time. Yeah. What? I love it.
Oh.
Cedric? Jungle.
Oh. T-Rex. T-Rex encounter.
Doon, may buhay doon, baby. Baby, wag na.
May buhay ba? Dito talaga.
May buhay doon.
Buhay na!
May buhay, di ba?
Run here, run here.
Ba't kaya si Sander dito?
Kanina po natatakot.
This dinosaur eats the raptor.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Put in the mouth. Set the mouth. Kita yung mukha niyo.
Wala naman, wala. Ikaw naman na.
The dinosaur! The dino!
20 pesos per head feeding the dinosaur. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Cedric!
Bali yata.
Ay po, may ano ka ba?
Kuya, to. Again.
Cedric!
Yes.
Oh, there's a dinosaur.
Nagputo ko siya eh.
You want to try?
This
What?
is the one!
Where?
Papa, this
Where?
Is there!
Yeah, where? Oh.
That one.
Oh, picture, take a picture.
You want it? Huh? You want?
Again, more. Oh, change pose naman, change pose. Another pose naman.
Another pose.
Like this.
Dinosaur pose naman. Dinosaur.
Like this.
Okay, fine.
Kwarto sa taas, master bedroom.
Oo, tama. Ganda.
Picture me like this.
How about Marky doesn't have cool pictures?
Oh, si Marky